Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to start a seller account on Trendyol website. As you from here, the first thing that you need to do to start selling on this website is to search for Trendyol seller account. After that, you will find this link. You need to click on it. So now from here, the first thing that you need to do is to actually make an account. So you can either make your account with your email address or make it with your phone number, as you from here. After that, you will see that there's 4 steps to start selling. The first one is to submit your application for the seller account. After that, you can actually add your products and personalize your store. Then you can actually send your products to customers that actually wants to buy your products. After that, you can actually get paid like any store. So from here on the facts, if we click on how can I become a seller, we will see that you need to actually fill this seller application form. So if you click on it, I'll see from here, here's the seller's form. You need to just fill all of these sections. And after that, after you finish filling your form, they will actually reply to you and accept your account as a seller. Then you can start selling on Trendyol. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.